So in this light commercial project, we ran into an issue where an existing footer from the building that we're tying into didn't allow us to use a precast concrete column because it's got 5 feet of concrete that was going to get in the way with the existing footer. So the good thing about Perma-Column is there's options. We've got the Sturdy Wall Wet Set Bracket, Sturdy Wall Plus, that we're going to use in this application instead of a Perma-Column precast concrete column. So we're going to fill this hole, which was intended to accept a Perma-Column with concrete, and then set this bracket in its place. That'll allow us to still use our post-frame method of construction and use the Perma-Column family of products. So I'm going to get ready to set this Sturdy Wall Plus 63 bracket where we had a Perma-Column that didn't quite work out. So we're now going to use this bracket instead. So we had to make a form so that we'd keep the bracket at finished floor level. So we made a form, and I'm going to set the bracket in the form just like you would any other wet set Sturdy Wall Plus bracket. I've let the concrete set for approximately an hour, and now I'm going to leave it. Now I'm going to set it right there, and it'll seat right in the concrete. And that's how easy it is. Build better, build stronger, build to last.